Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the AGRIO app review to see if it worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the AGRIO app. The AGRIO app offers impressive features for plant and crop monitoring, such as AI-powered disease and pest diagnosis, hyperlocal weather alert, and collaborative field report tools. It's especially useful for farmers or serious gardeners who want a tech-driven way to stay on top of plant health and yield potential. On the downside, some users report inconsistent diagnostic results, limited functionality in the free version, and the aggressive push towards paid subscription. Overall, AGRIO is worth trying if you are actively managing crops and you want advanced diagnostic support, but the casual gardeners or those expecting flawless accuracy may feel disappointed. And that's it.